This section introduces key features of Amazon SageMaker. SageMaker includes features and tools that you can explore for ML projects, such as SageMaker Studio, SageMaker Data Wrangler, SageMaker Processing, and SageMaker Canvas. Amazon SageMaker Studio provides an integrated development environment, or IDE, for ML, from which you can build, train, deploy, and analyze models all from the same application. Amazon SageMaker Data Wrangler is a feature of SageMaker Studio, and you can use it to ingest data, explore it, perform pre-processing steps, and perform feature engineering. The tool includes standard transforms for cleaning and feature engineering and can automatically generate insights about data quality and abnormalities. You can also define a workflow of wrangling steps to be performed. This provides a low-code way to do a lot of the common data preparation steps. The Processing Big Data module introduces the concept of coding using Jupyter notebooks. SageMaker Studio notebooks are collaborative notebooks that you can launch quickly because you don't need to set up compute instances and file storage in advance. SageMaker Studio notebooks provide persistent storage, which enables you to view and share notebooks even if the instances that the notebooks run on are shut down. A SageMaker Studio notebook runs in a managed environment that includes a configurable EC2 instance and a container image with the files that are needed to run the notebook. Amazon SageMaker Processing is a tool to analyze data and evaluate ML models. With processing, you can use a simplified, managed experience on SageMaker to run your data processing steps, such as feature engineering, data validation, and model evaluation. You can choose to put your code on built-in data processing containers or bring your own containers and submit custom jobs to run on the SageMaker managed infrastructure. SageMaker comes with a suite of built-in algorithm choices as well as pre-trained models and pre-built solution templates to help data scientists start to train and deploy models quickly. For deploying your ML models, SageMaker provides the option to deploy using a hosted endpoint that's suitable for real-time inference where you want to make one prediction at a time. To train a model in SageMaker, you create a training job. The diagram on this slide shows the AWS services that are used to run a training job and deploy it to production. SageMaker Hosting hosts an endpoint where applications can access the model and have it predict an outcome when given an individual request. After you create the training job, SageMaker launches the ML Compute instances and uses the training code and the training dataset to train the model. The service saves the resulting model artifacts and other output in an S3 bucket that you specify. SageMaker gets the training image for your selected algorithm from a container that's available through Amazon Elastic Container Registry, or ECR. The ML Compute instances and the SageMaker endpoint are directly managed within SageMaker. SageMaker is integrated with Amazon S3 and Amazon ECR to simplify using those resources for training and deployment. SageMaker has been designed to abstract a lot of the work that's required to support ML workloads. By using the service, data engineers and data scientists can focus on the goals and outcomes. SageMaker Canvas takes the abstraction to another level and provides an interface where a business analyst who isn't a data scientist can create models and get predictions. A business user can select a file and preview its data before uploading. Then, they can choose a target column and a recommended model and preview and build the model. This lets them quickly review the results and make predictions on new data by record or by batch. Here are a few key points to summarize this section. SageMaker is a managed service with tools and features that work across the ML lifecycle. SageMaker Studio provides an integrated IDE and provides access to other SageMaker features in one place. With SageMaker Hosting, you can deploy real-time inferencing or use batch transform to process inferencing on a whole data set as a batch. SageMaker Canvas gives business analysts the power of ML without having to code at all.